Hey everybody, welcome back to another Halo Productions. I just finished watching that Stop That Train. So basically, it's a bunch of drag queens in a movie, and basically they're on a train and they find out there's like a big storm coming through, and basically they have to steer away from it. I thought this was okay movie. I was hoping it would have been like a more funny movie than it was. That did have a really great actress in this movie. I just kind of wish it was a little bit more funny than I thought it was going to be. So let me know what you guys thought of Stop That Train movie, if you guys seen it yet. So that's it for this video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, hit that bell notification, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.